Welcome
to HeyGen Avatar 4.
You know when you work so hard for something and dream about how it will all come together? Well, this is that moment.
Will it be? Better make it quick.
All the ups and downs, it was all worth it.
Listen to me, I need to tell you something.
Come to our characters lab and I'm going to show you how you can bring characters like me to life.
There is no one way to create art. It keeps growing.
I'm talking hustle, I'm talking next level inspiration.
It's not just something you see. You become it. HeyGen Avatar 4. Here we go.